Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a short story at Burger King. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear two friends, Justin and Bonnie, and a Burger King staff member. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What is the secret that makes the burgers at Burger King taste different? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
I am so hungry, Bonnie.
Me too, Justin. My stomach is making noise.
That is funny. We are almost there.
Is that Burger King? I see the big sign.
Yes. But do you know their secret?
A secret? What secret?
They use real fire to cook.
Real fire? Like a campfire?
Something like that. It makes the meat taste different.
Now I am even more curious. Let's go!
Look at the windows. It looks very modern.
It is very clean. I like the colors.
It smells so good in here.
You are right. It smells like smoke and meat.
That is the flame-grilled smell.
The menu is so big. What should I get?
Do you want a burger or chicken?
The burgers look amazing in the photos.
They usually do. But here they taste good too.
What is a Whopper? That is a funny word.
It is their famous big burger.
It looks very large. Can I finish it?
I think you can. You are very hungry today.
True. I didn't eat breakfast.
They also have smaller ones called Juniors.
That is a good name for a small burger.
It is 12:30. The lunch crowd is coming.
Yes, many people are here.
Let's join the line before it gets longer.
Good idea. I don't want to wait too long.
Look, there is a mystery person over there.
Where? I don't see anyone strange.
Never mind. I will tell you later.
You always do that. Tell me now.
No, it is more fun to wait.
The staff looks very busy today.
They are fast. That is why it is called fast food.
True. I like that word.
The prices are not too high here.
That is good. I want to save some money.
Look at that combo meal. It is a good price.
Does it come with a drink and fries?
Yes, it is a full meal.
Perfect. I am getting thirsty too.
Only 2 people in front of us now.
Oh, they have onion rings.
Do you like onion rings more than fries?
Yes, they are so crunchy.
I might get both.
You are a hungry king today.
A king. That is a good word for this place.
Why do they call it king?
Maybe because the food is the best.
We will see about that.
Look at that kid. He looks very happy.
He is wearing a paper crown.
Ah, the golden crown. That is part of the mystery.
I want a crown too. Can adults have them?
I don't know. We can ask.
I would look like a queen.
Yes, a very hungry queen.
It is our turn. Let's go.
Okay, get ready to order.
Hi, welcome to Burger King. What can I get for you?
Hi, we would like 2 Whopper meals, please.
Sure, 2 Whopper meals. Anything else?
Wait, can I change something?
Of course, our rule is have it your way.
Have it my way? What does that mean?
It means you can add or remove anything in your burger.
Oh, then no pickles for me, please.
No pickles. Got it. Anything else?
And extra cheese on mine, please.
Extra cheese. No problem.
Can I have onion rings instead of fries?
Yes, you can. It's a small extra cost.
That is okay. I love onion rings.
And for you, sir, fries or onion rings?
I will stay with fries. I like them crispy.
Great. What drinks would you like?
Honey, do you want soda or juice?
Orange juice, please. No ice.
And one cola for me, with lots of ice.
Okay, 2 meals. One with onion rings and juice, one with fries and cola.
That is correct.
That will be $22.
$22.50. That is a fair price.
I have it, Bonnie. My treat today.
Really? Thank you, Justin.
Please tap your card here.
Done. It's very easy.
Here is your receipt and your number.
We are number 45.
Please wait over there. We will call you soon.
Wait, can I ask one more thing?
Yes, miss?
Can I have one of those paper crowns?
Of course. Everyone can be a king or queen here. Here you go. 1 golden crown.
Thank you. It's so shiny.
Now you look like the Burger Queen.
Do you want one too, Justin?
Maybe later. Let's find a table first.
There is a table by the window.
Good choice. I like to watch the cars.
This chair is comfortable.
Yes, it's nice. Now we wait for the food.
I still can't believe they give these away for free.
It is a famous tradition.
Do people do this in other countries?
Yes, Burger King is in over 100 countries.
100? That is so many.
It is. It started a long time ago.
When? Was it in the 1900s?
In 1954. In Miami.
54. That is over 70 years ago.
Correct. They are very old and experienced.
I hope they are fast. I am really hungry now.
Our number is on the screen now. Almost ready.
I see it. It says preparing.
We should get some napkins and straws.
Good idea. They are over there by the drinks.
I will go. You stay and watch the table.
Okay, Captain. Don't forget the ketchup.
Ketchup. Got it.
He is so nice.
Number 45, your order is ready.
Here it is. It looks huge.
Wow, those burgers are really big.
I have the napkins and some small straws too.
These straws are very thin.
And I got 6 ketchup packets.
6? That is a lot of ketchup, Justin.
Better to have more than less.
Look at the wrapper. It has a picture of a crown on it.
Mine does too. It says King of Burgers.
The bun has so many little white seeds.
Those are sesame seeds. They add a nice flavor.
Oh, I can really smell the fire now.
That is the flame-grilled secret I told you about.
Why does fire make it better?
Most places use a flat pan, but fire makes it smoky.
Smoky. Like a barbecue?
Exactly. It's like a picnic inside a building.
These onion rings are golden and round.
And these fries are very salty and hot.
Wow, that crunch is so loud.
I can hear it from here.
My juice is very cold. I am glad I said no ice.
My soda has lots of bubbles.
Look at the wall. It says they have sold billions of burgers.
Billions. That is a 1 with 9 zeros.
1 billion. That is too many to count.
It shows that people really like this place.
I need a napkin already. These burgers are juicy.
Me too. They are messy but good.
I am going to put my crown on now.
Okay, let me see how it looks.
Does it look straight?
Yes, it fits your golden hair perfectly.
I feel like a real princess in a burger shop.
A princess with an onion ring.
Look, it is my royal jewelry.
You are very creative, Bonnie.
And it's delicious jewelry, too.
The staff member was very kind to give you that crown.
Yes, he was. He said anyone can have one.
Look at that man over there. He has one too.
He is even older than us. That is so fun.
Burger King is a place for everyone to feel like a kid.
I like that. It makes me feel happy.
We have been here for 20 minutes already.
Time flies when you are having fun.
And when you are eating good food.
My burger is almost gone.
You are a fast eater today, Queen Bonnie.
I told you I was hungry.
Should we get some dessert later?
Maybe an apple pie? They look warm.
The apple pies are very famous here too.
I won't look at the calories today.
Good idea. It's a special day.
They are still very busy. Look at the line now.
At least 10 more people just came in.
We were lucky. We came at the right time.
Luck is part of a good lunch.
And good company, too.
Thanks, Bonnie.
Can I try one of your fries?
Of course, take as many as you want.
These are different from the onion rings.
Yes, they are simpler but very good.
This burger is much better than the ones at school.
School food is not a good comparison.
Good point. But it is better than many restaurants, too.
It's because of the fire, Bonnie. I'm telling you.
I believe you now. That smoky taste is real.
So, do you feel like a queen now?
Yes, a queen who is very full.
I'm going to get us that apple pie. Wait here.
Okay, get 2, please.
2 apple pies coming up.
He really is a nice guy.
Hello again. More food?
Just 2 apple pies, please. They look delicious.
They are very hot, so be careful.
Thank you for the warning.
Enjoy your dessert. Have a nice day.
I have the warm pies.
Oh, the bag feels warm.
Be careful, the staff said they are very hot.
I will blow on it first. I don't want to burn my tongue.
Wow, the crust is so crunchy.
The apples inside are so sweet.
This is a perfect ending to our meal.
More people are wearing crowns outside.
It's like a secret club.
The Burger King Club. I like it.
So, did you find the answer to my secret?
Yes, the fire makes the meat taste special.
Exactly. Flame grilled is the key.
I wonder if they use real wood or gas.
I think it's a special machine with real flames.
It's almost 1:30. We should go soon.
Let's finish our pies first. No rush.
I am so full. I don't want to walk.
We can walk slowly, like turtles.
2 full turtles with golden crowns.
I'm going to wear mine now, too.
Yes, do it.
How do I look? Like a king?
You look like a very handsome king.
Thanks, Bonnie. You are a great queen.
Stay still. I want a photo of us.
Say Whopper.
Whopper.
That is a great photo. We look very royal.
I'm going to keep this forever.
Okay, let's clean up our table.
I'll help. We should be good guests.
The trash can is over there.
It's good that they make it easy to recycle.
Yes, it's important to be clean.
Today was a very fun adventure, Justin.
I agree. Simple food can be very fun.
And we have our souvenirs.
Yes, the golden crowns of Burger King.
I'm going to wear this on the bus.
Everyone will look at us.
Let them look. We are the king and queen.
That is a great message. Just be happy.
Bye. See you next time.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again. What is the secret that makes the burgers at Burger King taste different? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.